Hi everybody, Malik the Magic Guy with ExpertVillage.com, and this is going to be part of the intermediate section on balloons. We're going to do some hats. There's all kinds of different hats you can make. Now, one of the cool things about hats is you can add on to basic stuff that we did already. Like this is the basic helmet. I'm going to show you how to do this again, add some more stuff onto it. Stuff like this. This was the headset or, raccoon hat if you wanted. You can add on all kinds of round balloons. We'll talk about how to do that. Hats are a great way to get laughs because there's few things funnier than somebody walking around with balloons on their head. Most of the hats are going to be pretty easy to figure out how much air you need because most of them you need air all the way in the balloon. And so there's all kinds of variations. I'm going to show you fun ways to add on to the basics we did already, add some color, and they're real easy to make them nice and visual and big and appealing without a whole ton of effort. So hats are fun, and stick around. We'll do some fun stuff with them.